didn't you?
Yeah, the circuit board.
What's it called?
The main board.
The main board. That's right, the main board.
Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Now it'd be nice to have a look at this Worcester Bosch 28 SI. Bit of an old boiler. It's not firing up on heating or hot water. Now I came here quite a while ago. I repaired it then, and the issue then was the circuit board was faulty on it. Now this has gone down again. So in this video we're gonna hopefully diagnose it and repair it. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So what's happening to this one? I switched it on. I could hear the fan running on it, but it's not sparking, and the red light starts flashing slowly. Okay, love, it's working now.
It's working.
Yeah. The air pressure switch was the thing that was going on it.
The air pressure you think was sticking.
Yeah. It's no boiler, a lot of things unfortunately will go down with it. But
Yeah, I realise that.
I got it. Air pressure switch was faulty, love. I got open it up. I don't have one with me. It's working now. If it goes again, I'll bring one with me and I'll fit it in for you.
A new one, yeah. Okay, well let's hope that's not going to be that's not going to happen.
Yeah. Well, it might not. It might not. Whatever. Can I just guess? I'm in such a hurry today.
Yeah,
I
carry
do
on.
apologize. Right. Yeah, this. Remember last time it was hard to put this on.
I know.
Right. Right.
So if it happens again, just give you a ring straight away and then you'll get a new air pressure.
Yeah, I'll fit it in here.
Oh, at least we can have some heat now. It's been bloody freezing this last 3 days.
Oh, yeah, amazing. Okay. Okay, just help it again once,
Pardon? Try it again, yeah.
please.
It's going.
Yeah. So at least we know what's wrong with it, yeah?
Yeah.
That's the bright side of things.
Yeah, so it'll be pretty easy if we need to ring you. Hopefully not, then you'll know what to do, won't you?
Yeah. Right guys, so it is Worcester Bosch out. The air pressure switch is stuck on it. I don't have one specifically for this boiler, so I'll have to come back. But I got it going from, so what I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to wait for the call. If they call me back, then I'll come back and change the air pressure switch for them. If they don't call me back, then it's going to probably carry on working for months and years. So we just don't know about these things. But for now, it's working fine for them. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Right guys, I've got it all opened up. Now what's happening, right guys, I had to come back. Unfortunately the air pressure switch didn't last long, so I had to get a new air pressure switch. I've come back to fit it in and hopefully that should do the job. Right guys, some of these air pressure switches are screwed in from the top. Now thankfully this one is just clip in and clip out, and if it was screwed in from the top, I was going to be screwed because I got no space at the top.
But I'm happy where I am now as well. I don't think I'll be back to full-time work now. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm 65 soon.
As long as you're happy, isn't it?
Oh yeah, yeah, I'm happy.
I'm happy with what I do.
I think that's a big plus. You know, you can go to work and not mind what you do.
Exactly. I just so grateful for this.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Like I say, life's too short.
Some people are just really good at it.
Well, the longer you're doing it, the better you're going to
Yeah,
get,
yeah, I do.
theoretically.
Yeah, I suppose.
Yeah.
If they want to learn this, fine.
A lot of the youngsters at our place, like they're doing university degrees and stuff,
Yeah.
and you can tell the heart's not really in it. They can't wait to get through uni and all that and go off and do what they want to do.
That's it.
I suppose it's fair enough.
Right, guys, sorted this one out. Air pressure switch was faulty on it. That's on me, don't worry. Guys, I've sorted this boiler out. Right, guys, sorted this Worcester Bosch out. Bit of an old classic boiler. The air pressure switch was faulty on it. It came down 2 days ago. I've blown into the air pressure switch, got it going, and then after that, I tested it about 2-3 times, and it was working okay. So I thought maybe I'll carry on working. Bit of a stickness in it, or just got stuck somewhere. So I left it. 2 days later, it's gone again. So I bought a new air pressure switch. We put that in, and now it's working fine again. And hopefully, it's going to carry on working fine for many years to come.
Yeah.
And hopefully, you'll enjoy the video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.